Hey everybody, this is Cash Mojo. Today we're going to go over 10 ways to earn free PayPal money. Make sure to watch until number 1 because it's one of the most amazing methods I've ever seen. Be sure to like and subscribe and look for the bell icon to turn on the notification. Now let's get straight into the video. What if I told you that making $100 per day is actually not as difficult or time consuming? The truth of the matter, all it takes is some quick adjustments in your routine and mindset. It's actually not as difficult as you might think. In this video, we will discuss 10 different ways that you can earn money online. Some of these methods are easier than others, but all of them are legitimate ways to make some extra money. So, whether you are looking for a side hustle or just some extra cash, here are 10 ways to earn $100 per day online. Number 10, participate in online surveys. Have you ever been curious about what kind of shampoo your neighbors use, or how many people in your city own a dog? Or what percentage of people feel strongly about a particular political issue? These are the kinds of questions that online surveys can help to answer. There are a number of different survey websites that will pay you for your opinions. This is a great way to make a little extra money on the side by participating in online surveys. You can share your opinions and help researchers to better understand the thoughts and behaviors of people like you. So if you're looking for a way to make a little extra cash, participating in online surveys is a great option. And who knows, you might even learn something about yourself in the process. Number 9, sell on Etsy. Etsy is an online marketplace that connects people with different interests and hobbies. Whether you're looking for custom jewelry or vintage finds, there's sure to be something on Etsy. The global audience of this site ranges from crafters who create their own items, sellers offering up goods in exchange for money or other currencies, and buyers selecting what they want from various listings. It really does have something interesting everyone can enjoy, no matter how old school your sense of fashion may currently lie. Etsy is home to a growing community of entrepreneurs, artists, and collectors from across the globe. As an Etsy seller, you can start and grow your own business by selling handmade, vintage, or craft supplies. You can also sell digital products such as patterns, templates, or tutorials. To get started with selling on Etsy, create an account and set up your shop. Then, start adding listings for the products you want to sell. Be sure to add clear and accurate photo descriptions and pricing information for each listing. Once your listings are live, start promoting your shop to drive traffic to your store. You can use Etsy's advertising tool, share your listings on social media, or take part in Etsy's marketing program. With a little effort, you can build a successful business selling on Etsy. Number 8, Fiverr. There are many different ways to make money online, and one of the most popular options is selling on Fiverr. This platform allows anyone to post their services or products for sale, and users can purchase these items for just $5 a piece. Whether you are offering digital tasks like graphic design or web development, or physical goods like art prints or jewelry, there's a good chance that you'll be able to find plenty of interested buyers on Fiverr. What's more, the platform makes it easy to get started. Simply create an account and start posting your services or products for sale. Once you build up a reputation, you can start charging more of your services. So if you're looking for an easy way to make money online, Fiverr is a great option. Number 7, sell on Facebook Marketplace. Selling on Facebook Marketplace is a great way to reach a large audience of potential customers quickly and easily. With just a few clicks, you can post your products for sale and start engaging with potential buyers in your community. What's more, everything about the marketplace is designed to be easy and user-friendly. From the intuitive interface to the streamlined payment system. To get started selling on Facebook Marketplace, simply create an account and start posting your products for sale. Be sure to add clear and accurate photos, descriptions, and pricing information for each listing. Once your listings are live, start promoting your shop to drive traffic to your store. You can use Facebook's advertising tools, share your listings on social media, or take part in Facebook's marketing programs. With little effort, you can build a successful business selling on Facebook Marketplace. Number 6, participate in focus groups. Focus groups are a great way to learn more about a particular topic or product. By participating in a focus group, you can share your opinions and listen to opinions of others. Focus groups can be an invaluable resource for companies as they provide valuable feedback from customers. In addition, focus groups can help to generate new ideas and perspective. If you're interested in participating in a focus group, there are a few things you should keep in mind. First, focus groups typically last for 1 to 2 hours. Second, you may be asked to sign a confidentiality agreement. Finally, you will likely be compensated for your time and participation. If you're looking for an opportunity to voice your opinion and get paid for it, participating in a focus group is a great option. Number 5, Upwork. If you're looking to start making money from your freelance skills, one of the best platforms to try out is Upwork. This online marketplace is a great place to find new clients and connect with like-minded professionals. With just a simple profile and a portfolio of your work, you can get started on selling your services right away. And with plenty of tools and resources available on Upwork, it is easy to navigate the world of freelancing and get the most out of your experience. Whether you're an experienced professional or just starting out, selling on Upwork is a great way to grow your business and generate more income for yourself. So why not give it a try? You've got nothing to lose and everything to gain. Number 4, Reddit. Reddit has become one of the most popular online platforms for discussions, news, and entertainment. In addition to its massive user base, what makes Reddit so unique is its many different communities known as subreddits. These groups are dedicated to specific interests or hobbies, and they make it easy for users to connect with others who share similar passions. But it's also possible to use Reddit for more entrepreneurial purposes. In fact, there are now many subreddits where people can buy or sell services of all kinds. Whether you need help with programming, copywriting, photography, or anything else, you can find qualified professionals willing to tackle your projects on the go-to platforms for buying and selling services. So if you're looking for a reliable way to hire someone online, look no further than Reddit. Number 3, Swagbucks. Swagbucks is a great way to make some extra money in your free time. You can do things like take surveys, watch videos, and search the web to earn points that can be redeemed for gift cards or cash. You can also get paid to shop online through your site, and with so many ways to earn, it's easy to rack up a decent amount of points and cash out when you need it. Plus, and they offer a lot of helpful resources to help you get started. So if you're looking for an easy way to make some extra money, Swagbucks is the way to go. Number 2, Phobe. There's no doubt that photography is a popular hobby these days, and many of us love to document our lives with photos and videos. Plus, thanks to the rise of social media, we are constantly sharing these photos and videos online. But did you know that you can actually turn your passion for photography into a money-making venture? By selling your photos on sites like Phobe, you can earn some extra cash while doing something you love. At Phobe, all you need to do is snap a photo using your smartphone and upload it to their site. Once the photo is approved by the community, you'll get paid for it. The amount will depend on how popular the photo is, as well as other factors like where it was taken and who took it. So if you're an avid photographer looking for a fun way to make some extra money on the side, why not give Phobe a try? With its easy to use interface and exciting payouts, this platform is sure to help budding photographers make the most of their talents. Before we get to number 1, be sure to like and subscribe if you're liking this video so far. We also have a YouTube course you should definitely check out in the description below if you're serious about starting a channel and making money on YouTube. Number 1, content creation. This one is my favorite. There are a number of ways to make money creating content. The most common is through YouTube. But there are also opportunities to sell products and services or to work with brands as an influencer. One of the best things about making money from content is that you can work from anywhere in the world, and you can often set your own hours. Additionally, if you're creative and passionate about your work, it can be a very rewarding way to earn a living. If you're interested in making money from your content, there are a few things to keep in mind. First, be sure to create quality content that people will actually want to read or watch. Second, focus on building an audience of engaged readers or viewers who will be more likely to support your work financially. Finally, don't be afraid to experiment with different ways of monetizing your content until you find what works best for you. If you're looking to make money on YouTube without showing your face, there are a few different options available to you. First, you can create videos that don't require any on-camera appearances. This can include things like product reviews, educational videos, or even just vlogs of your daily life. You can also use tools like animation or screen sharing to create videos that don't require you to be in front of the camera. Finally, if you don't want to show your face in your videos, you can use techniques like filming from a distance or use strategic editing to keep your identity hidden. Whichever approach you choose, with little creativity and effort, you can definitely make money on YouTube without showing your face. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos on making money online and much more. Check out this playlist of my top 10 videos for making money online, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.